What's up guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I want to show you how to remove background from images. So assuming you have a picture and you want to remove the background, I think this video will be helpful. Now there are two ways that I want to show you. The first way is to go to your browser, go to Google, type remove background. You select the first option, either the first option or the second option. I mostly use this one, so I recommend you choose this one. Go to upload image. Now select image. Now the AI will automatically remove the background. Yes, so this is the easiest way, but then there is a problem here. If you are downloading it, it gives you the lowest quality. If you want the premium quality, you have to pay for the premium. So you can do it this way, but then you get a very low quality image, which is fine if you want it. But then if you want to do it in Photoshop, where you get the best quality, I suggest you do it this way. So now this is the image in Photoshop. So now we want to remove the background image. So first of all, you go to the eraser tool, right click, you select background eraser tool. You click on it. Make sure this part is selected. Select it and make sure you choose contagious. And the tolerance, it depends on the image you are using. So you can play around the tolerance to see the one which works for you, depending on the background you want to remove. So yeah, so I choose 26 or 25. So now you click, so automatically it will remove the background while maintaining the quality of the image. I think this is the easiest and the best way to remove background from your images. So yeah, so afterwards, after removing the background and everything, so yeah, so this is how it looks like. You can use this method to maintain the quality of the image. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to not miss any video. Bye.